This is Bea. Natawa na lang kita.
Ano ko na ba? Nakala ko joke lang. Yo!
Hey guys, what's up? It's Bea. And since you're already here, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends. And let's start the video. I'll say hi to the vlog.
Canhugas.
I know where I'd rather be tonight. I know where I'd rather be tonight. Playing with fire
Entrance
with
fee,
you.
Josh.
20.
So did you pay for it?
With
Yes.
fire with you.
Yeah.
So let's go,
I'm
guys.
tired of being in love and on my own. I'm tired of being in love and all alone. So I'm playing with fire with you. I'm playing with fire with you. Is it true that one could love two? Is it true that a man could love two? 'Cause I'm not with her, I'm with you. I'm free from her when I'm with you.
How are you guys? Okay lang. Hello guys! Hey guys! Now we're here at Canhugas. Frank is behind the camera. And yeah, it's very nice here. It has like a pool thing going on. O diba? Ganda. Pero if you're gonna come here, wear your best footwear because it's quite rocky all over the place and spiky too. So it's gonna hurt your feet. So yes, let's go swimming!
You. Playing with fire with you. Yes, playing with fire with you. Playing with fire with you.
It's splashed! That's why I said you need great footwear for this.
Just to say a hello. Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up. It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah. On the dumb
then are
things
you
we
ready?
did when we were only little
Mga
children.
first timers, are you ready?
Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. 'Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm singing. Yes, I'm singing.
Oh my god, there's a
I don't
horse!
feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to.
How cute! Ay, ko hype pa, no?
Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
Tapos, how Bisaya?
Or call me back and tell me something new. Now we're
Level
off
two
of
of
this
the
beat
track.
and I'm spitting a cappella.
We're in the wilderness.
Day in school with the fools when I was
We're still hiking.
We never skip class, we were living life waiting on the summer. Yeah, we move so fast, it's hard to see the seasons change. There goes another. Oh, what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm doing is I'm
Level 3,
singing.
let's go!
Yes, I'm singing. Oh, I don't feel how I used to anymore. I don't hear from you like I used to.
The most beautiful view here. Hello, Eastern SAMAR. This is it.
Let's run it back and kick it like we used to.
It. Level 4.
Or call me back and tell me something new.
I really have to go down and it's so hard, guys.
I don't feel like
Laban lang tayo. Welcome to Ginduyanan. Our guide. Bayaran niyo lang guide you. And he will guide you.
I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel how I used to. I don't hear from you like I used to. I don't feel like I used to. Oh, I don't feel how I used to. I don't feel anymore. No, I don't hear from you like I used to. No, I don't feel like I used to. Let's run it back and kick it like we used to. So call me back and tell me something new.
Never throw your garbage anywhere. Okay, it is a sacred place. It is a place where we locals only bring our friends when we trust them with the information that this exists. And wear good footwear. Nakita niyo naman, there's a lot of hiking involved.
Early in the morning, you're beautiful too. Early in the morning, you're beautiful too. Counting the grains of sand upon the
Guys, ang mga sangkay, mga pan-FHM, mga lawas, solo, girl.
How can I tell you the way you make me feel? All of my thoughts begin and end with you. All of my thoughts begin and end with you. I know you like you know me, you know that I know you. I know you like you know me, you know that I know you.
We are on our way back. It's so tiring. Look at Ate Tin. Kaya? Ano? We're also sweaty. We're hungry. We need food. Super hungry. And swim, yes. Sa Umawas. Hiking! We have made it! Bye!
Begin and end with you. All of my dreams begin and end with you. I know you like you know me, you know that I know you. I know you like you know me, you know that I know you.
A Carinderia. I think the bad part here about being in the province is that everything's close. Basta brand out. Ako, munggo.
Ano din?
I got lumpia. The
Even
adobo.
in my sleep, I see you in my dreams. Beauty so free. You're all I'll ever need. How can I explain the way you
So now we're back here at Bye Bye. We're gonna have buko. And thank you guys for watching the vlog. And I hope you share this with your friends. Be safe out there. Happy summer. Start of summer. And then the end credits would be Josh.